everybody, I am here today with my brand new Graphic 45 Life is Abundant Folio project. So instead of making a mini album, I made 12 mini folios and I have it in this box here that you see. So I'm going to go through this first and show you the box, and then I'll go through each of the folios individually. So on the top, there's lots of flowers here. I've got one of the stickers. I'm going to tilt this first so you can see this is the open spine part for the book box that has all of the folios inside. And then if I turn it on its side, you'll be able to see this is basically the front of the box. I popped up this. It was from the cover sheet from the collection. And I've got lots of flowers, and it does have a magnetic closure. The back side doesn't have any decoration. Neither does this spine. I'm going to set the book box up and pull these folios out, but first I do want to show you that on the inside here, this is also decorated. So each folio is decorated differently. There are two different styles of folios that you will see repeated, but each of them does have a little bit of a different look. So starting with January, I did use some of the Graphic 45 tags as closures. I've got some charms on the ones that have the tags. These are from Scrap and Create, so all of the papers are the bundle. I will link that in the description box below. And if you do buy the bundle from Scrap and Create while supplies last, they do give you charms that match the collection. This is magnetized. So this opens up again. And I did use the stamps here, and I used embossing powder for all of my photo mats. So the back is just completely plain to place a photo, and then I've heat embossed with these metallic embossing powders just to give it a little bit of a different look. And then I figured you could either journal on this, or you could even place small photos. Here we have one of the large cut apart cards. I didn't do anything with the backs of those cards. And then we have a belly band here, again, just with another photo mat. There's actually plenty of room in all of these folios that you could add multiple additional photo mats if you wanted to. Then on the back side, I have another pocket here, and then I have another photo mat or journaling card. So there's January and the first style of folio. Moving on to February, we have a closure band here. It's just tucked up underneath, so I'm not using magnets on all of my folios. And then here I've got a pocket on this side with a photo mat or a journaling card. Then this opens up, room for photos. And then this is a large pocket that just has that large cut apart card. Then on the back side, I have another pocket with another one of my photo mats. So this is style 2 of the folio. For March, we come back to style 1, so it's going to alternate every other one. We've got the little mushroom charm here, magnetized, opens up, room for photos here. In my pocket, I've got another card or another photo mat. Opening up again, I've got a pocket over here with a photo mat, and then the large cut apart card. Again, plenty of room for additional photo mats if you were to choose to add more. Belly band on the back side, and I just have one photo mat tucked into it. For April, we're back to the closure band, but instead of having just that circle, it tucks into this side. So just pull this out. Got a large pocket here with that cut apart card. We've got a belly band here with a mat or a journaling card, whatever you want to use it for. This opens up again. Then we have another one here. Flipping over to the back side, we've got just a large pocket with that cut apart card in it. Next, we're on to May. We've got our dragonfly charm here. This opens up. We've got a tuck spot that I made from the stickers. One of the photo mats here. Flipping open, we've got the large cut apart card here. Belly band in the center of the page with one photo mat. And then here in this smaller pocket, we've got another photo mat. Then on the back side, we've got a large pocket and one photo mat. For June, we've got the closure band, the tucks in, opening up. This just has two pockets, so I've got the large cut apart card here, and then I've got two photo mats tucked in on this side. I'm closing this back up, flipping over to the back side. There's nothing on here for a photo mat or a pocket or anything. I just left it plain. For July, we've got the little bee charm. Opens up. So we've got our photo mat in our tuck spot. We've got another pocket here with a photo mat. This will hold 3x3 photos on it. The other ones will hold 4x6 photos. Got the large cut apart card. Plenty of room here for photos. And we've got another journaling card or photo mat, whatever you would prefer. And on the back side, we have another pocket with that cut apart card. Now for August, this is the only one that I did this way, and I wish I hadn't because it's really kind of hard to get this band in and out. It kind of has to curve a lot. So I wish that I wouldn't have done that. So if you do follow the tutorial, that might be something that you consider changing. So opening this up, got a flap here with a belly band with a small photo mat. And this is open, so a photo will tuck behind it. And we have another pocket here with a photo mat. And then a pocket here with the cut apart card. Flipping over to the back side, we've got another pocket with the cut apart card. For September, we've got the ladybug charm. We've got our tuck spot with the photo mat. Opening up again, we've got a belly band here with a photo mat. Then we've got the large cut apart card in the pocket. And then here, we've got another photo mat in this pocket. And flipping over to the back, we've got a large pocket with room for 4x6 photo on that photo mat. Moving on to October, we've got the closure band, opens up. This opens up again. We've got a small photo mat here. Plenty of room here for photos. This is open. Then we've got the large cut apart card here. And then on the back side, we've got that pocket with the cut apart card. For November, we've got the little owl charm. Got a belly band here with the photo mat. And opening up, we've got another belly band for the photo mat here. the large cut apart card in the pocket. Got a very colorful photo mat here in this pocket. And then in this pocket, we've got another photo mat. And then on the back side, one more pocket with one more photo mat. And finally for December, we've got the large cut apart card in this large pocket. Plenty of space for photos here. And then on the back, we've got a belly band with the photo mat. So here are all 12 of these folios. If you would like to make this project yourself, I do have a full tutorial available in my Etsy shop, which will be linked in the description box below, step by step, and pictures of how to create this. There will also be a supply list for that project in the description box below so that you can get all those things that you will need to make this project. You can head over to the Scrap and Create website if you want, because those will actually be linked in the description box below. So you can just click on those links and purchase all the things that you need to follow along. And if you would like to make the matching book box for your folios, I have this box available in my Etsy shop as well. It will come to you flat. You will have to assemble it. It's very easy. It just snaps together. It is plain MDF, which is a plain wood finish. I painted mine black. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it will come plain, so you will have to paint the inside and the outside if you choose to do so. So that will also be linked in the description box below, as will these flowers and everything else that was given to me by Scrap and Create. I will link everything there so you can check all those products out. And finally, if you are interested in purchasing this set of folios and the book box, it will be listed on my website for sale. So if you want it ready-made just to place your photos in, you can go ahead and check that out as well. Thank you so much to Scrap and Create for providing the papers, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.